Hey guys, this is our number skills page 49 and 50. All right, and so we are going to do number 1 right here. We're going to start with number 1, and it says add. So that means we have two groups. We have the top group of dots, and we have the bottom group, and we're going to count them all together and see how many we have. So right here we have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 equals 6. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write a 6. Whoop. All right, next you have 4 dots plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it's asking us how many dots do we have all together. Miss Hendry is having a hard time writing. Her pen's not working. So it's a little messy, that's why. Next, you have 2 dots plus 1 more. So how many is that in all? 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Next, it just says to write the combination. So we're really just going to be writing this part for them. They already give us the dots. So see, we had 2 red dots, so we put a 2 here. Plus, we don't have to write that, but it's there for us. 1 dot, so we write a 1 here, and then we count them all up and write the number here. So let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write the number 6 here. Plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, write the number that comes after 2. So if we're counting 1, 2, what would come next? 3. Very good. Then we have 6. So if we started at 5, 5, 6, and what would come after? 7. Very good. All right, if we had 3, what would come after? 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right. Next, we have 9. So what would come after 9? 8, 9, 10. There we go. Next, it says circle the numbers in the 60 family. So remember, 60 families are going to be the one that have the 6 in the tens place. So I'm going to write a 60 and I'm going to underline the tens place right here. So if it's in this place of the number, then you're going to circle it. So let's look here. There is a 6 there, but it's in the ones place. So I'm not going to circle that one. Next, we have the number 56. There is a 6 in that one, but it's not in the tens place. It's in the ones place. That's 56. So that's not in the 60 family. Next, we have 36. It has a 6 in there, but it's not in the tens place. So this is in the 30 family. Next, we have the number 60. Well, we know that one's in the 60 family. Next, we have 47. Nope, that one's in the 40 family. 67. Did you hear 60? Me too. Next, you have 61. I heard the 60 number. All right, over on the back, it says write the combination. Let's count how many roosters. 1, 2. So let's write, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write the number 4. Plus 1 more equals how many are there all together? Like, I'm going to do this to show you. Now we're counting all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very good. All right, now let's see. Circle the pennies you need to buy the balloon. All right, so how many is right? What does this say right here? How many cents? 5. We know that when we count pennies, we count by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle 5 cents. What time is it? What number is this one pointing to? Correct. 2. And then right here, what number is this hand pointing to? 6. So it's 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock. You're going to trace all of these numbers by yourself. Bye, guys.